So far in the exercises we've tried various forms of hatching and shading, and we've also tried to use those techniques for producing a cube and a cone, and finally we've finished a sphere. What might be interesting is if we combine the sphere, the cone and the cube to see how this can be done with shading. So let's roughly draw in a cube. Drawing it faintly. Now we draw a cone. All very rough. And we'll put on top of the cone, we'll put a sphere. So the light source as it was from the beginning, we'll very lightly put in the top surface of the cube. We'll add, I'm going to do this quite roughly, I think, because we're going to sketch it rather than draw it. It will possibly still work okay. It might look very sketchy, I don't know yet. We'll see how we progress. The only one face I think that we will have a significant outline on is going to be the front face here. So we've got the top face in, we've got the side nice and dark, possibly too early to do that sort of darkness, and we're going to start doing the cone. And don't worry too much about the preparation lines, they'll disappear. Now what we have is a slight mismatch with the cone and the square, but I don't think we need to worry too much about that yet. We can adjust things. Not perfect by any means, but it's beginning to look a little more like a cone. Now we'll do the circle. Unfortunately, as with some of the other sketches I've done, I'm not really in a comfortable position for this because we're filming it. I could rotate the paper around, but I don't want to lose the speed of drawing. Now you will get a shadow underneath there, so very lightly mark it. Strengthen the underside of the ball and strengthen this. This is the darkest face, so we can go to that tone at least. I think this first part here would be dark because it would be reflecting from the sphere. But the bottom could be quite a bit lighter. Could even have that quite strong as well. Strengthen the top face of the cube. And I think I'll have to add a little outline for that. And although it's not perfect, we have a sphere, a cone, and a cube. Thank you.